So to get the true strength out of Planner, we have to be able to run some sort of reporting on the information. And this is one of several videos that we're going to do to show you how to create dashboards and reporting based on your Planner tasks. So the first step we need to do, which we're going to jump into right now, is exporting your Planner tasks. So let's get started. So pick the plan that you would like to export. You have to export each one individually. And to do that, we're just going to click on these three arrows here, the ellipsis, and we're going to say export plan to Excel. And what that's going to do, and you see here, it kind of works and then it completes. Now, dependent upon how many tasks you have in your plan, it's going to take a bit longer, right? So just be prepared for that. Now we just go to wherever we downloaded it. Now I happen to download it before, so I'm just going to click on this one right now. We're going to open that up so that it opens up in Excel. Let's go ahead and just drag Excel down here. And we don't need everything. Let's just go there. So here we have Excel, and there's just a couple things that we need to do to this Excel file. One is we just need to click on these things here, right? I'm clicking once on this, on the number 1 itself, holding down my shift key, then clicking on the number 4. And then I'm doing a right click over the content and hitting delete. Now that's going to take out all that stuff at the top because we don't need any of it for this exercise. And usually when we run statistics on Planner, you really don't need any of that data. All right. So here you can see the tasks that are in this environment, 102 of them to be more specific. And what we ultimately want to do as you view the other videos is we want to just be able to export this using Power Automate. We'll export, erase all these tasks on a regular basis in a file that we store in OneDrive so that we can have an active dashboard within Power BI. But that's to come in other videos. So let's just go ahead and clean this one up. The next thing that we need to do is convert this to a table. And the way we do that is, where is it? It's up here, right here, format as a table. So we're just going to click in here and do a Control A. Notice it's just capturing the data itself. We're going to say format this as a table, Bing. We're going to say that it does have headers, okay? And let's do that again. We're going to hit Control A, format as a table. Yep, does have headers. Good, perfect. Now we're ready to go. So that was just a quick export from Planner. These are all of my tasks. Now I can do lots of things just inside of Excel, even if I did not want to go forward and look at other things that I can do with Power BI. Let's look at a couple of the things that we can do right now. First of all, we can click here on filter, and notice here I can see when I click on filter, do you see the drop downs occur? So that's kind of cool, right? And see, then I can just say organize it like that. So now I have my blanks up here, okay? And then I have 3 down here for my wife. So just as an example. All right, let's say that I just wanted to see her tasks. So I could just type in anything with Maria, and now I just see those 3 tasks. Now I can sort this data if I wanted to, and sort it by anything that I choose. So let's just say I want to sort it. Here it's assigned, so I'm going to just add one to it. I'm going to say sort it by priority, or let's sort it by due date. Okay, and then we're going to sort it by priority. Notice I can add those different levels, and we're going to hit go. We're going to say okay, and now notice it lines it up here, and then completed and not started there as well. So you can play with this data, make tables from it, do whatever you want with it. You can see that there's only 3. So that's really how you export data and begin to manipulate that data within your Excel environment. See other videos, we're going to talk about how to manipulate this data more as we use it inside of Power Apps and the specific products, Power BI and Power Automate.